Looking for an easy way to download videos, generate subtitles, and convert media files all in one place? Well, today we're testing Need Keep software to find out if it can really handle all of these tasks efficiently. And trust me, one feature in particular surprised me more than I expected. So let's jump right in. Download and installation. First, head over to the VidKitSoft website and download the Windows version of Need Keep. The download starts automatically, and once it's finished, simply extract the zip file and install the software. Now, let's open it up and see what we get. Right away, you'll notice three main sections on the sidebar: Download, Toolbox, and Convert. We'll test every single one of them. Let's start with the feature most people are interested in: video downloading. NeedKeep supports multiple platforms including YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and many others. I'm going to copy the URL from one of my own videos, paste it into the box, and click Start. Now this is interesting. The software instantly analyzes the video and displays multiple download options. You can see different formats, resolutions, frame rates, file sizes, and even bitrate information. I'll choose this version and click Download. And there it goes. The download has started successfully. A few moments later, the file appears in the Done section and is ready to play. Now let's check out the AI subtitle feature. Inside the Toolbox section, click AI Subtitles. You'll see 4 available AI models: base, small, medium, and large. For this demonstration, I'll use the small model. After importing a video, simply click Generate AI. Let's see how accurate the subtitles are. Not bad at all. The subtitles are generated automatically and displayed on the right side. If you want to save them, just click Export Subtitles, and you'll get a standard SRT file. Now for the final feature, the converter. I'll import the same video file and click the Edit icon. Here we have several options including MP4 conversion, audio extraction, and video compression. Let's try extracting the audio as an MP3 file. I'll leave the settings at their defaults, click Confirm, and then Start. Conversion complete. Let's play the result.
I have considered all of the evidence presented here. It is now my duty to impose a sentence that reflects the gravity of your actions.
Sounds great. The audio quality is clean and exactly what we'd expect. After testing all 3 major tools, NeedKeep delivers a surprisingly complete set of features. Video downloading, AI subtitle generation, and media conversion, all inside a single application. If you're a content creator or someone who frequently works with online videos, this software is definitely worth checking out. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.